Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. Today I'm gonna share with you an avocado DIY protein treatment. I had 3 avocados and I went on to wash them, cut them into halves to remove the seed in order to blend them. This is how my avocados are looking. So in this particular DIY, I'm just gonna use avocados and lemons. That's it. So I was not making this for me, I was making it for my niece and her auntie. It's not for me because if it were for me I would not have used the lemons. The lemons help with itchy scalp. It helps to soothe an itchy scalp, and they had that. The avocado tends to add moisture into hair, and it contains oils that will leave your hair shiny and soft and all that good stuff. So this is me adding everything to the blender, and the lemon juice onto the blender. I also did add some water just so that the avocados can blend in nicely, because it's so thick. Like, avocado on its own is so thick, you can't just blend it while it's like that. So it's important that you add water so that your blender has an easier time. Something else about avocado is that it's packed with fatty acids and vitamin C, D and E and B6, which is nutritious and treats your hair when included also in a healthy diet. Like, don't just apply it on your hair and that's it. Like, also eat them, like eat a balanced diet, all that good stuff. So this is person number 1. This is how her hair is looking. Like, you can see how her hair is looking. She just came from a protective styling, and she's had her hair in this twists for some time. It's been a minute since also she moisturized her hair. So the first thing I wanted to do was to moisturize her hair so that the avocado can also have like a good place to land in and to be absorbed, because you don't want to apply this beautiful DIY on dry hair. It's not gonna be absorbed in nicely. So yeah, do that first, moisturize the hair, and then comb it out with a wide tooth comb, just to make sure that you do not have tangles and whatnot, because if you have tangles when you're applying this, it's gonna give you even a harder time when you want to wash this off. Here is our protein treatment. Here is our avocado and lemon treatment. You definitely want to apply this on the hair, and especially the ends of your hair and also on your scalp, so that it helps because of the lemon, which will help with the itchy scalp. And then you definitely want to go in again with a white tooth comb, just to make sure that this goodness and everything is like on all your hair strands. Something that you definitely also want to do is to do a twist, or like, just don't leave your hair hanging after you've put the mask on, because it's gonna like tangle up and whatnot. And believe you me, it's not easy to wash this out, because if you don't do this, you're gonna have even a harder time washing it out. So step by step, I went into sectioning her hair and applying that on every section of her hair. Make sure you have every strand coated. Like, please do make sure you have every strand coated. Person 1 did not have like a lot of like dense hair, so it was pretty quick, chap. This is person 2. This is my niece, and her hair is something else, but that's because she's a child. Like, she's had this protective three stands, matutas, for some time. Not even for some time, actually. It's maybe 2 weeks or so, and this is how they're looking. Anywho, you definitely want to go in again to moisturize the hair first, just to make sure that you're giving the mask a good place to land, then you want to go in and put on the mask, ensure that it's covering every strand of the hair of her hair. She had like dense hair, like not dense, but she does have dense hair. That's how her hair is looking. Yeah, again, same process, same everything, just like person 1. Some of the benefits of this avocado hair mask is that it conditions your hair, like it deep conditions your hair. So many people don't deep condition their hair. Most people actually just condition their hair and that's it. But deep conditioning, not most people do that. Again, it controls dandruff. That's a plus. That's also a plus. And then it adds shine. That's so true. Like, yo, that's so true. You'll even see this at the end of the video. You'll see the difference between this hair right now and how it will look like at the end of this video. Something else is that this mask adds new life to dull hair. Did you guys see how this hair was looking when we started? Did you? You're gonna see how we're looking after you've applied to every section. You want to put on a plastic bag. We did not have another shower cap. Person one used the shower cap that was available, so we had to improvise. We used this, and then she stayed in for some time, so that you let everything cook in and absorb everything. This is 1 hour later. This is how the hair is looking. I'm gonna wash it out with my shampoo and conditioner, same process that I used to wash my hair. Also same thing. You want to like go easy, but like be gentle, but not like extremely gentle, because those avocado, two things that avocado has, they won't come out. Like, they'll give you a hard time if you're just gentle. If you're washing your hair normally, you want to like go ×2 that, but like still gentle. Don't use your nails. Yeah, just like be in there, like just be in there, do that thing so that the hair is clean. Some other DIYs that you can use for your damaged hair, or just for your hair to add in life and whatnot, is avocado and coconut oil hair mask. That's also a good one. Something else you can do is avocado, honey, olive oil all together. Another thing is avocado and aloe vera. I would want to try this because this looks like a good thing. Yeah. Something else is also an avocado and a banana hair mask. I have tried this. I will link the video in the description box and up here in the card, so that you can check that out. It left my hair feeling so good, by the way. You definitely would want to try that. Yeah. So if you're coming from a protective style and you feel like your hair is dry and it's not giving, it's dull and whatnot, I would advise that you go do a DIY of this avocado hair mask, because avocados are extremely moisturizing and nourishing, because they have like good fats in them, and these like they'll be absorbed into your hair quickly and easily. Avocado oil is also very light, like the avocado oil that is gotten in a supermarket. It's also very light, so it's absorbed easily into your hair. You might also want to get that. They are very helpful. This DIY is very helpful for dry hair, or like if you have dehydrated hair, feel like your hair is just it's just not there, and you've tried moisturizing but it's still not giving. You definitely do want to try that. So this is me finishing up on washing this beautiful hair. Of course, I'm gonna wash hair in sections. Like, you know me. If you know me, you know that I like doing my hair in sections, and that goes to anyone's hair who I'll like. If I do your hair, I'm definitely gonna do it in sections also, because it's just so much easier. It's like it's the best way to like do this, you know. I also washed person one's hair. Her name is Diana. I don't know why I keep calling her person one. Person one and my niece Diana and Adrien. So this is Diana. I also did go in to wash her hair. You might be wondering why we're washing hair from outside, but that's because like I can't wash their hair in the shower, because I don't want to wash them, you know. So this is like the easiest way to wash their hair, just their hair, because I'm only dealing with the head, and that's it. Her hair was feeling pretty soft, by the way, although at the back of her head she has four, I would want to call it 4A or 4B hair. It's not 4C. It's pretty, it has loose curls. Yeah. But yeah, her hair, I also did wash her hair in sections. I went in to like do her hair in sections also. You want to use warm water, because hot water will just cook the avocado in your head. You don't want that. Do you want that? No, I know you do not want that. So use warm water also. Something else I want to emphasize on is to seriously wash that hair, because if you do not wash it properly, it's going to leave like balls, like small balls from the avocado, like pretty tiny balls from the avocado mask. They're just gonna stand there, and there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. So you really have to like go deep in there and just take your time and wash that. You definitely want to do this on a weekend, like on a day you're not going anywhere, because like this is gonna take time. And while I was doing this, I was also taking out shed hair, because she was in a protective style, so she had not even had time to take out shed hair. You remember how Mokami's hair was looking when we started? These are the results. This is like instant results. This is same day. Yo. Yo. I'm not even, like, just see for yourself. So we ended up doing a protective style for her, lines za shule, because she was going back to school. She's a child. Yeah. Please do try an avocado treatment if you feel like your hair is dry. It's gonna do wonders for you. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.